This is my 3D adventure game part 1 by Shantal. So this is what my island looks like, and that's the character you will be playing as, the chick. So the goal of my game was to make a 3D island adventure game. The point of the game is to go through all 3 islands. Right now I'm presenting the first island, and collect a gem at each one after completing a puzzle or a mini game. For this mini game, I decided that it was going to be where you would possess a rolling ball and you try to hit all the cactuses so they light up, and then a treasure chest would appear with a gem inside of it. After that, a rowboat and a dock will appear for you to make your way to the next island. Design. So I used low poly packs downloaded off the Unity Asset Store for the design. I had animations, sound effects, and background music as well. So my program uses a lot of references so the player can interact with the objects around it. When you click certain buttons, it enables and disables different components and moves things around. It's like these are all the references to different objects in the game and transforms. And this is this program right here says that if you click on this key, then all these things happen. Like this, like the colliders and sphere colliders become true, and like the docks become true, and some things are set as false. Test/rethink. Testing was long and tedious, so I can't possibly count the amount of testing I had to do, because I had to test everything every time I added something new. I wouldn't change any part of the game because I made it just the way I wanted it. Demo. So you can use WASD to move, and then you can press the shift button to sprint even faster. And so on the first island, you can possess this ball by clicking E, and you can press B to get out. And then you see how you turn into the ball and the chicken disappears. And it also lights up to indicate that you're in possession of the ball. And when you hit all the cactuses, they light up. On this next one. Additionally, if you fall off and into the water, you just respawn back at this point. And then say to keep on hitting all the cactuses. And while all the cactuses are hit, a shovel appears to dig up that mound, and you can press B to get back out of the chicken. And the shovel will keep on digging for about like 20 seconds. And then afterwards, the chest will appear, and you can click Q to open it. And it makes sound effects and stuff, and you press C and you collect it. And as you can see here, the gem count goes up to 1. And then this dock and this boat appear, and then you can ride the boat across to the next island. Okay.
And you say you're currently working on the next island?
Yeah, that's the next island.
Okay. All right. Awesome. Cool. Does anyone have any questions for her? Yeah.
How are the 4 points if there's only 3 islands?
Oh, because there's gonna be a mini game at the end for the final gem, and then everything's like done.
Okay.
All right. Awesome. Thank you. Let's give a round of applause.